For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9. Yet another Kashmiri Pandit was mercilessly killed in Kashmir. Ajay Pandita, a Congress Sarpanch from Anantnag, was killed by terrorists on the 8th of June. The killing of Ajay Pandita has sparked massive outrage. His cold-blooded murder has brought back horrendous memories of 1990. Several people have condemned the brutal killing of the Kashmiri Pandit who had dared to stay in Kashmir. Ajay's killing sparked a nationwide debate over the return of Pandits to their homeland. Many also questioned about the safety of the minority community present in Kashmir. To condemn the killing, GKPD, in collaboration with Kashmiri Pandits, organized a webinar on the 9th of June. Over 10,000 members of the community participated in the webinar.
My mother was also concerned about it.
Community members from US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Thailand, Canada condemned the incident.
But let's all talk about it and let's not leave it.
I think the entire community is today in mourning. Suddenly I get a feeling that the wounds of 1990 have once again been reopened. There's an entire ethos here. This has been nothing but reprehensible. A young person with noble intentions was brutally killed. These rotten and filthy minds are spread across Kashmir.
They are sitting vulnerable targets. Minority pickets have been removed. Prominent shrines of Kashmir do not have security today. Everyone is sitting duck today, and I hope and I pray that there is no one else who is getting killed.
मैंने उनके परिवार वालों का जब वीडियो देखा, मैं पूरा नहीं देख पाया, आंसू आए, पर एक लाइन मुझे उनके परिवार की याद है, जहां पर शायद उनकी श्रीमती हैं या बहन हैं, जिन्होंने ये कहा कि कश्मीर हिंदुओं का था और कश्मीर हिंदुओं का रहेगा.
It was lone family there, and he was lonely serving Kashmiri Muslims. He had gone to serve his neighbors, and he was very popular because he was not voted by Kashmiri Pandits. He was voted by Kashmiri Muslims. And now, who is the person who killed him? So it's a jihad going on in Kashmir. They don't want Kashmiri Pandits to return to Kashmir.
The diaspora also urged the government and political parties to join them in. Their fight against targeted ethnic cleansing of Kashmiri Pandits continues. The GKPD expressed its condolences to the family of Ajay Pandita. The Global Kashmiri Pandits diaspora has sought a probe into the matter. Ajay Pandita's daughter, while talking to media over her father's gruesome murder, called the terrorists cowards.
पीछे से गोली मारी उन्होंने मेरे पापा को. कायर है वो. उनको पता था कि ऐसे नहीं होने वाला अजय भारती को कुछ. हमें छुप के वार करना पड़ेगा.
Ajay Pandita's family made it clear they will not leave Kashmir. In 1990, hundreds of Kashmiri Pandits were brutally killed and forced to flee their homeland. On one hand, Kashmiris continue to live like refugees in their own country. On the other, those who dare to go back are facing continuous threats. The incident of Ajay's killing leaves us wondering if the government is bothered about the resettlement of Kashmiri Pandits. If yes, then what about their safety?